So we completed the first concept, comparing of numbers. Now the next topic is ascending and descending orders. Let us first see what is ascending order. Ascending order is nothing, increasing order, what you have already learned in your lower class. In increasing order, what do? We arrange numbers from smaller value to bigger value. So that is the same thing, we have to do it in ascending order also. So here I have a set of 4 numbers. I need to arrange this set of four numbers in ascending order. So first I count the number of digits. So I found that this is a 4-digit number, these both are 5-digit numbers, and this is a 6-digit number. So when I compare these 4 numbers, I can very easily find that this will be my first smallest number because it is a 4-digit number. Now with these 3 numbers, when I compare, I have 2 5-digit numbers. So since they are 5-digit numbers, I need to compare their digits in the places. So the greater place is 10,000. In 10,000, in the first number I have 6 and here I have 1. So 1 is smaller than 6, so I can find that this is my second smallest number. And next, this and this is my left out numbers. So here it is a 5-digit number and this is a 6-digit number. So of course 5-digit number will be the smaller number. So this is my third smallest number. And this will be the last number in the ascending order. So I can arrange the above numbers like this in ascending order. So 5389 comes first, second 12,612 and third is 63,985 and the last number is 7,08,432. Now let us see what is descending order. Descending order is just same as decreasing order. Decreasing order means here we arrange numbers from bigger value to smaller value. So let us see the same set of numbers how to arrange in descending order. So this already arranged in ascending order. The easy method of arranging this in descending order is you can start from your right side to the left side, because the last number will be the greater number and the next will be the second greater, third greater and the last one. So you can just start from here. So this will be the first greater number when you arrange in descending order. And this will be the second greater number. And this will be coming as third one. And this will be in fourth one. So you can just write it in reverse order. So you get it as like this. 7,08,432 comes first. 63,985 comes second. 12,612 comes after that. And last we get 5,389. Now this is another example for you. Here again I have 4 numbers. Now as I said, I just found which how many digits there. So it is a 5-digit number and this is a 4-digit number, 6-digit number and again a 6-digit number. So this first I am going to arrange in descending order, that is greater value to smaller value. So here I have 2 6-digit numbers. So first I have to compare these 2 6-digit numbers, right? So I start from their lakhs place. So in the lakhs place here I have 1 and here I have 3. So we can say that 3 is bigger. So this will be my first bigger number. And when you take the other 3, here 6-digit number already we have. So we can confirm this will be my second number. Then next when you consider, you have the left out 2 numbers. One is a 5-digit number, another one is a 4-digit number. So what do you think, what will come first? Yeah, the 5-digit number will be the third bigger number we can say. And at last of course, this will be the last number. So here I have arranged those numbers in a descending order. First 3,29,100 comes first. Then 1,10,184 comes. Then 39,360 and at last 4,369. So I have arranged them in descending order. Now the same set of numbers I have to arrange in ascending order. That means smaller value to greater value. As I said, you can start from, because already these are arranged in descending order, you can start from right to left because this will be the smallest number, right? So this is the first smallest number, second will be this, third one will be this and the fourth one will be this. So after I finish, I get like this 4,369 then comes 39,360, then comes 1,10,184 and 3,29,100. So you all understood the ascending order and descending order of numbers. Here I have 3 questions for you all to work out. This is your first question. The set of numbers which I have given over here, A and B, you have to arrange them in ascending order. In the second question, again you have 2 sets of numbers, that is A and B sets. These 2 sets of numbers you have to arrange them in descending order. And the third question is from your content book, question number 6 from exercise 1B, given in page number 15 of in our math content book. Thank you, children.